Hi and welcome to Forest Rock Qigong. This is a 10-minute Qigong routine for beginners. It's a nice simple routine. I'll go through the full 10-minute routine first, and then after that I'll go back to each of the exercises and explain a little bit more detail about each of them. So first we're going to start is the general breathing. So this is a centering breath that helps you bring awareness to your breath, awareness to your body. Yep. So you're going to put your hands on your lower dantian yin. Now lower dantian is just underneath your navel, so you put your hands underneath. We're going to do it 4 in breath, 4 to the count of 4 for the in breath, and we're going to breathe out for 6. Yep. So we breathe in through the nose for 4, 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, 4, the in breath, and then out for 6. 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, 4,000, 5,000, 6. We're breathing into our belly. Breathe into the lower belly. 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, 4. And out through the mouth. 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, 4,000, 5,000, 6,000. Good. And while we're doing it, we're just trying to relax. Let the whole body relax and just sink into it. And the breath's nice and slow. And as soon as you slow your breathing down, it slows down your mind. It slows down your heart as well. So do that again. In breath, the count of 4. 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, 4,000. Oh, by the local dog. And then exhale to the count of 6. 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, 4,000, 5,000, 6,000. Yeah. Now breathe in again. Long, slow breath in. Long, slow breath out. Very good. So the first of the Qigong exercise we're going to do is called Nature's Fragrance Drift Up from the Stream. It's a really simple exercise, but it has a really long name. So it comes from the Shen system. We're going to turn your hands up, and you're going to breathe up, and you bring your hands up to the top lip, and then from the top lip you're going to come back down again. It's really simple. Now try not to pick up your shoulders when you do this. Breathing in as it comes up, breathing out when it goes down. That's it. Perfect. Breathe in when it comes up. Breathe out when it goes down. This exercise connects the spleen and the lung energy together. It helps the qi circulating, and also helps to calm your nervous system. Breathe in and then breathe out. Long, slow breath in, long, slow breath out. So the in breath, the out breath for this exercise is the same duration, yeah? And just feel the body calming down, feel the mind calming, feel the heart, imagine the heart beating slower and the body way more relaxed. And you bring a sense of stillness to the body. Good, one more time, breathing in and then breathing out. Good. The next exercise we're going to do is called Turn and Gaze at the Moon. This is from the Tai Chi Qigong system as well. And we're going to go to the right side first. Now I'm going to mirror you. And we start with our palms facing towards the ground. We're going to turn. It's like looking over our shoulder at the moon behind us. And we're looking through our hands. And we're going to come back to the center. Once the hands. Just look down. Don't bring your neck, your head forward. And turn. We're looking through the hands at the back. Looking high into the sky, though, we're looking to the bird. And we're turning from our waist. We breathe in as we come up. Breathe out when we come down. Breathing in. Breathe. We stay double weighted while we're doing this exercise. So the weight's evenly on both feet, even though we're rotating. And you're rotating from your hips, from your knees, from your ankles. Everything's rotating, including your spine. Nice and slow. Nice and relaxed. Breathing in when you come up. Breathing out when you come down. Breathing in. And breathing in. In. Then breathing out. Finish there. The next exercise we're going to do is called wave hands and clouds, yeah? There's a few different variations, so this is also from the Shi Tai Chi Qigong system. We're going to turn and the hand comes up to your face. So you're looking at your palm and your face. You turn your palm and your head. The hand goes out to the side, palm down, and then the other hand comes up. And so the palm is facing your head and your hand turns. Goes out to the side, palm down. Then we turn again. Now we're turning from the waist. We're watching the hand. Hand comes up, palm down. Head and your hand moves at the same time. Arm comes up. Now this exercise is really good for the right and left brain hemispheres. So you can imagine just doing this exercise. The right and left hemispheres are activating both sides because you're doing crossover exercises. So it's very good for stimulating brain function. So it helps to harmonize the liver and the spleen. And clears stagnant chi. That's the energy that's been stuck inside your body. This exercise helps to move it. Rotating. It's really good for the nervous system as well. Good. Now we've done the breathing for this exercise. You breathe out to the middle, and then you breathe in. Then you breathe out, and then you breathe in. Then breathe out, out, then breathe in. So you breathe in and out to the sides. Out, and breathe in, breathe out to the center, then breathe in. Breathe out to the center, then breathe to this. There's a few different breath patterns for this exercise. There's one we'll do, nice and simple. Bring the hand back down. Good. Now the last part is gathering and storing the chi. So we bring our hands back on the lower dantian. Actually what we can do, we'll rub our hands together this time. And then put your hands on your lower dantian. You'll feel the hands nice and warm. Now for the females you need to put your right hand with your left over the top. For the males you need to put your left for the right over the top. And then breathe in and out quietly. Long slow breath in. Long slow breath out. Good. So that's the 10-minute practice. Nice and simple. So we'll go back over the exercise, just talk a little bit about them. So we'll go for the first one, which is the centering breath at the beginning. So this centering breath, the 4 breath in breath, the 6 breath out breath, is a very, very common Qigong breathing pattern. It helps to anchor your Shen. Your Shen's like your soul, and it anchors it in your heart. It calms it, makes it quiet. It strengthens the kidney Qi as well, and it balances your awareness of your internal body and internal Qi as well. It's a very, very useful exercise, and so it's quite simple. And just the inhale for 4 into your lower dantian, breathing in for 4, and then breathe out for 6. Nice and simple. Breathing in for 4 and out for 6. It's like a second of breath, so it's like 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, 4,000. So it's nice and slow, nice and peaceful. Yeah? The second exercise, which the nature's fragrance drifts up from the stream, is the last exercise in the Bai Hui. It's number 18. And it's an exercise that has this ability to bring the body back into balance. It calms the body's energy, and it balances the difference between the yin and the yang inside the body. Also the ren, mai, du, mai, which are 2 major meridians inside our body, or 2 major extraordinary vessels. And it helps the Qi to circulate and the blood to circulate as well. So it's quite simple. The hands just come out. The big thing with this is don't try and pick your shoulders up. Keep your shoulders down, just pick your hands up. So notice that when you're doing this exercise, that what you don't want to do is lift your arms up like your shoulders up like that. Keep them down, just lift the hands up and coming down. Now it's a slow in breath, slow out breath. Same duration for this. So if you're breathing in for the count of 6, you're breathing out for the count of 6 as well. Good. Nice and slow. Good for the nervous system, this exercise. Calms your nerves. Good. So the next one, turn and gaze at the moon. The hands are apart like that. They're not, the fingers aren't touching, they're slightly apart, and you're looking through the hole. Yep. So as you turn, you're looking through the hole as you twist. When you're turning from the hips, the hip is generating the movement. You turn from the hips and the hands come up, and you're looking between the hands. Look between the hands, and you keep looking through the hole when you go down. You watch down the bottom, but what you do, don't put your head down, just look down. And then keep looking. And then when you're changing, when you get to the top, you're looking to the distance through your hands. So when you're close, you're just looking here at the ground. And as the focus changes, then you go from close distance to further away distance. And then, of course, we're looking into the sky, which is a long way away. And we come back to the center. And so you breathe in on the way up, long, slow breath in on the way up. Long, slow breath on the way down. Long breath on the way up. And then breathing out. Very good. So this exercise has multi-functions, but one of the exercise, the physical aspect of this exercise, is that it twists your spine. So all your vertebrae twist, your knees twist, your ankles twist, your hips twist, your neck twist. So it's like ringing a tail. It goes all one way, and then you ring it all back the other way when you go from one side to the other. And so you're activating all of the muscles, ligaments, and tendons around the spine. And so you're making them all nice and flexible and moving them all, because you don't want any of them to get stuck. And the same with your hips. You're moving your hips right around from one side to the other, knees. So you're moving all the ligaments at the same time. It's such good exercise for the rotation of your spine. But this exercise also does the Qi in the blood, because it helps the circulation of the Qi in the blood as well, yeah? Wave hands over in clouds. This is a complicated exercise. Don't be okay if you can't pick this up the first time you try this. So you can just do, if you want to, you put your hand and just do one hand. Comes up, sit face, turns with your hand, palm goes down, goes across. It comes up, turns with your hand. So your hand watching it, turn the palm down, goes across the bottom, turning from your hips, comes up, watch the hand. So you can do this just one hand at a time, so you get used to it, or you can just do 2. You come up, watch the hand, palm down, and of course it's easier with one hand, but this is a good place to start. Turn, comes down. Good. Comes up, palm down. So then we incorporate both of them, so one goes one way, one goes the other. But the easiest way to do this is put your hand up and get your head and your hand to move at the same time. Bring your hand up, head and the hand move at the same time. It's the easiest way to get this. There's a bit of coordination involved with this, but it just comes with time, some practice. But it's a very, very good exercise to calm your liver. Helps to balance your emotions. It's also really good for your hormonal balance as well. Yeah, such a good exercise. Yep. And the last one we did was gathering the qi into the lower dantian. So this is, because our physical centers in our lower dantian, we have our mental center, our spiritual center in our heart, and then the equivalent of our physical center, the lower dantian. So we're standing there with this position, and what we're doing is breathing energy down to the lower dantian. Yeah, we bring it in, and then breathe out. Yeah. This helps to integrate the energy of the kidneys inside the body. It returns the energy after the exercises back to the lower dantian, and like it was back to where we're going to store our energy in our body. And you breathe in slow, take long breaths in, long breath out. This is an exercise I do if I'm sitting in the car somewhere, or I'm sitting somewhere at home on a mattress or something. I'll sit and I'll just sit there quietly. Or I'm sitting on the couch, I'll sit there, breathe in, and then breathe out. And then you can feel your heart slowing down. You can feel your mind slowing down. And you can feel the energy just sinking inside the body. And you become more aware of what you're feeling inside the body. It's a beautiful feeling. And sitting there quietly in the space, just breathing in and out. If you have any questions about these exercises, please ask and enjoy your practice. It's a nice, simple 10-minute practice, and they're easy to do. So have fun and just try and practice them every day if you can. For a while, the more you practice them every day, the more you'll love them and the more you'll want to keep practicing it. Okay, cheers. Bye-bye.